Hello pals, so I'm making this video to show you my results with the RPM so far. People have been asking, does the RPM work? Can I make money? How fast can I make money with the RPM? So I'm here to show you my results and how quickly I made money with the RPM. By the way, the RPM has gotten a makeover. The appearance has changed since the last time. So you might want to take a look at this. If you have the RPM already and you've left it up for some time, take a look at it. The RPM has changed. Good news. So let me show you my RPM earnings. By the way, I'm an RPM Pro member, so I get earnings from Super Checkout and a bidder. In case you're wondering what's RPM Pro, I made a previous video on that. So please check the card popping up right now on your screen. And I will also leave a link in the description below. So let me show you my earnings in Super Checkout. These are the earnings I made from our RPM. If you sum this all up, it's over $500. So far, I've been paid about over $480. So these are my RPM sales. Look at the ones that are paid: 24.3, 26.97. 87.3, 267.3, and these commissions are coming in every month. Some of them are upsells, but the RPM Pro commissions comes in every month for me. Okay, so guys, this works. Now let's do a quick math here. See how much I made on the 30th of September. 24.3, 26.97, 87.3, 267.3, 24.3. Okay. Adding this up, I made over $400. Okay, the RPM works. So if you're still second guessing to know if this actually works, it does. And these funds have been wired to my Payoneer account. You can see here I have a balance here. This is actually my first Payoneer payment thanks to the RPM. So I want to show you here. This transaction was made from James Neville-Taylor and completed in December. There was actually a delay in my payments. This should actually have been completed in September or October. So guys, that's it for payment proof. I will make another video when I cross $1,000. So in case you're still sitting on the fence, it's time to jump in on your RPM, okay? You could ask me any questions. Let me know what you think. The trainings are very helpful. I particularly find the email marketing training helpful. The trainings are helpful. In my previous video, I did a sneak peek of what's in these training modules, so you might want to take a look at it. Popping up in the cards above this video right now and also in the description below. So guys, let me know what you think. If you have any questions, feel free. Ask it in the question box. Ask it and I will respond. I look forward to making my next review video, so stay tuned and wish you all the best. If you don't know how to subscribe to the RPM, I'll leave that also in the comment box. I'll leave that in the description below. Jump in on your RPM today and start making your commissions. Okay, so I'll cap it here today. See you in the next video.